Hello everyone and welcome to watch our video. Now you see we are in the assembly line of a factory. I have see some customer feedback me about can you show me some details manufacturing process of your trailer? Now this video is for this. So let's take a look. The first process is here. So we are making sealing the material, sealing the surface like this. This is the black gum, the UV protected black gum, and you see we're sealing the surface in this process. And you can see from here, everywhere you see the black one. This is we are using high quantity black gum to sealing it firstly. This is the first process. Okay. Actually, before this, we're also making the sheet metal aviation aluminum alloy for the surface, surface shell. But this material, this is high strength steel. You can see it's very solid. And for the inside, let's take a look at the inside. And we have the insulation material, and also these are the sheet metals put here. And you can see we are using high strength steel frame material, and these are the foam material, XPS foam material, and you can see here. And also we have the structure material for the inside. We will also put another 2 centimeters PVC board, PVC whiteboard, and you can see here there is a PVC whiteboard. Under the PVC whiteboard there are stainless steel surface, putting on the surface of ground, putting on the surface on the ground. So that's very important, and it's very strong and compact. It's rugged design, and this is the restroom. They are making aluminum alloy sheet metal and the stainless steel floor, as you can see here. So this place we will installation the protection circuit here, and let's take a look. And this is the slide out kitchen here, and this is the way we are making the control panel system. And also you can see here, and this is inside the restroom here. And from this view you can see this is a water pump here, and also you can detect the water pump abnormal problems. There will leave a space for modification if possible, and you can see from here. And these are the aluminum alloy sheet metal. You can see it's lightweight, and this is a high strength steel. You see this is a very high quantity, and waterproof ability you can see it. So you can see this is the inside structure here, and these are the wood material inside. You can use it for 15 years lifespan of this trailer. In China, domestically, 15 years lifespan for the trailers. So, but in foreigners, you may not have a law for the trailers lifespan time, but China have a limited time. But our trailer can use more than 15 years manufacturing. And these are the solid wood composite material, and these are the solid wood you see here. And these are solid wood, which is very heavy. I can just take to you here. It's a little bit heavy. This is not using the bad wood material. You see, this is the quantity here. This is the wood material, solid wood you can see here. It's heavy while you are taking on the hand. And you see these are surface is very smooth because we're doing the surface polishing before sealing. And this is the stainless steel material. You see right here the quantity here, and also this this place. We also have the wood material inside to make it more strength. Actually, this side is the high quantity. You can see this is the steel material, and we have put wood inside, make it more solid. Voice is solid, but quantity is top. And you see this. This is the first process here. First process, and then after we will go through each process. And this one is a black one. Later I will take a video separately for this one. Introduction. This is almost finished, and because we have many other trailers there. But today we will introduce one. This one, you see, the door opening way is totally different. So from the side, you say, this is my left side and this is my right side. Say, this is my right side, this is my left side. And this is a left side door. Left side door. The logic is different. And let's take a look for the left side door. The same. This is the stainless steel slide out kitchen here. And upgraded for the fingerprint digital lock. Fingerprint, you see, you just fingerprint. Put on it, it's green. And this one, you fix the door here. And the door material is the aluminum form material. And let's open it. Let's check the inside, the details here. Yeah, this is the control panel system. Control panel, as always, control panel here. You see. And this is the control panel wire system. We're wiring there. So you can see more clearly. And this is the inside decoration. Inside the same design as our right-handed door. The same design, same decoration. 12-volt air conditioner here. You can see here. The teak floor here. Teak floor. And also this way, the customer customize a fixed toilet. A fixed toilet customized version. And this side, this is an expandable side tent area. And you see here, this is the aluminum alloy with anodized sandblasting. So yeah, now our workers were going to work on it still. So you see, this hitch is a European standard. Most case, our Chinese customers are using this one. So you see here, and let's take a look at some details. These are the details. And the gel battery is here. This is the double layer hollow acrylic window. And you see our workers working on it still. And also another very unique one, he changed the previous design for the storage boxes. It is opened one. Yeah, you can put some bottles here on the outside, on the back side. It's a different one. Let's take a look at this side. And also this customer customized a plumbing system. As you know, plumbing system is used under the extreme weather, like the under 0 centigrade. The water gonna be frozen, so they're using this system. And there's a toolbox here. So you see here, you can checking the plumbing, the water pump problem by open this. So let's take a look. This is Plumbing system, plumbing water system. You can use the hot water even when you are in winter season by installation of this product. The air conditioner compressor and shore power plug, and the stainless steel one. You see, this is a diesel plateau diesel heater. Independent suspension system here. Twin absorber, heavy duty chassis. So the water tank is here. So this is the overlook of this one. Later we can take a more high quality videos when it's finished. So today's video is this introduction for the process of njstar RV, details inside, and customer you can know more details about it. Thank you so much for watching. For any questions, please send me or leave the comment below. Thank you.